No, I want to. Just
look at no piece of land. You don't even know land. Again, what land? No land.
Now my land, I piece of land. Where you go to land?
Yeah, you love land now more better than.
Okay, my land they put on passer. My land they put on passer.
Okay,
my land they put on passer.
No wonder they follow them treat me. No wonder they follow business they treat me.
I dey maltreat you. I maltreat you where you do wrong.
Waiting give you right for you to put my hand for my sister after the whole one I'll give you.
Oga, man tell something. One this girl, maybe that's why you say do you say I keep quiet for. One this girl, tell this girl say anywhere we say I did, make this girl better avoid me. You don't know me when you uncle tell me say na me go give am
20 million. As waiting.
Because say me support this one.
So you go give 20 million naira say waiting.
She say
20 million naira.
Stop me.
Okay, they find money because they wait, shut your mouth. Because so I don't carry lawyer come case now. Because they find 20 million where you carry go settle case, Abi. No, they find 20 million where you carry go settle case.
So a good man person use your sister.
Baba, now she carry herself go. Now she carry herself go.
Uncle, now say you happy and stop am. Now say you girlfriend. Now see them, best of the girlfriend. See them.
I happiness.
Sometimes I ask myself why I need the shame. I don't know why I need the shame.
When I been the shame don't pass.
I know why I need
When I
the
been
shame.
the shame don't pass.
Did you pass your
Ma tell which people. Now my family member, ma go tell my mama say,
you don't see why.
Now you want host the wedding. You wait. Now you want host the wedding.
But wait, uncle. Uncle, this is not how I know you before.
Now only for Port Harcourt I know say they will the first person enter relationship.
See, never like this.
You go enter there. But you go enter there.
No be she you ain't talk. I don't want her.
The thing
You don't want her.
This you will marry me.
I think I don't do again.
Okay, I think now you know what you need to do again. Before now say you never even do anything with me. Now I need to do again. So that you like it or not, you will marry me.
Tell her say make me a talk this rubbish. Make she no come spoil my relationship.
You go marry me. You go marry me.
Don't spoil relationship while you suffer build.
Natural.
You go marry me.
Natural.
You go marry
From
me.
today henceforth,
Why can't you just respect
I forbid you not to put your hand on my sister again.
May your sister stay alone.
Keep quiet, I'm talking.
Make she stay alone.
I said keep quiet, I'm talking.
Oh.
If from henceforth, no, I forbid you not to put your hand on my sister again. Any day, whether not for dream not for sleep not for anywhere, you try to raise your hand on her again. If I meet you finish, if I do what I will do finish, and I will still tell you.
They tell her say,
I will still get you arrested.
Listen to me. Arrest you.
I will still get you arrested.
Make she stay alone.
Make you say to beat a woman. Say you gonna say it's against the law.
I love him.
You love you. If you then say go put your mouth on that I love you, go punish.
This I love you.
Go punish.
This I love you. And this you will marry me.
It's a two-thing affair. If you say you don't finish, you say you don't tire. I prepare 20 million to settle her.
20 million.
I buy for the damages.
Just to settle her.
I buy land from you.
I don't need money from you. Settle her.
You destroy something.
Man, you carry gold. Why won't pay 20 million?
Wait. And my sister or my cousin sister, but you know me, sir, I know we talk the truth. When this girl they go me busy, he tell you. And I don't me ask some people like he tell you. He no tell you I be good and fine. Now why be say they don't dump and he don't follow JC. That mumu JC they misbehave because of man. They misbehave. They expect me I can't go beg. A woman go beg man.
That's what take beat me. That's what take my ego. Now beats me pass. Now beats me pass.
See, you know why? You know how this thing be like this now. Now because I come family as
come out for here.
I come and waiting they cause all this thing.
I don't want to.
Go inside, carry my phone, pack my things. They want to do my own. They go there.
Go.
I can't meet you.
If you say I did my house,
you beat my sister.
no wait. If you say I did my house, all this
I done this thing.
See.
Now you dey spoil this.
I dey
Now you dey see she dey carry your character. The same character where they live, now the same character where she dey live. Even character. As I say she open my talk. Don't say Bizzy no go see better for this life as long as say Bizzy no marry.
Yes. If you don't marry me,
because marriage number first, I be marriage number first.
I go work for your head.
No.
Now the same way you threaten me.
Even for your dream, you go mention my name.
No, mention your name.
If you say you don't tire, prepare for compensation.
Which conversation? Wait, I want to know.
For many
You never
years.
get X before.
For many
No, you
years.
never get X before for this life. Why you never marry? Why not you want to plan to marry?
None of my S where I use them. Okay, they even use me.
Okay,
leave me.
Okay, now they use
Yes.
you. That's so they're gonna use you.
So none of my S where
That's so they're gonna use you.
No, Muna, see my something. Now the same way when they take use and dump them. Now wetin making still sell your land? They still use and dump the money.
Uncle, give me your phone.
What is your problem?
I told that they beat me today.
Baba, I don't want collect this. I don't want collect this safe from you again.
What is your problem?
For your life, if I'm talking for your life,
collect safe from you again.
if I talk again for your life,
I don't want collect safe from you again.
There's not anything have to do with you again. You mentioned about land of a team.
You know seven land.
This land no concern you.
You know seven land.
The land no concern you.
You know seven land.
So if you open my mouth, you don't know what they use land do. You don't know how the money take go. You don't know what to make the sell land. You don't know people want to sell land. So if you don't know anything, keep your mouth shut.
Keep my mouth shut. Now make one by force marry your sister now.
You must marry me.
Now make one by force marry her.
You must marry me, oh.
Enter we are. Enter we are. Say na heavenly gate.
Where you wait?
Na heavenly gate I want why we center.
Where you wait? No sweet.
Na heavenly gate.
Uncle, ask you, you no get shame.
Just imagine.
You no get shame.
Don't do this thing with me again.
Your lifestyle day.
What
When I know you, when you come back from outside, cause like your lifestyle. When you get with Odogu, you know like it's supposed to. See now they say Odogu, never your colleague. Now your colleague happy. Odogu now your colleague. But now see you now. You don't do for social media now they rant. People don't look you. You know what? Try at least make change this lifestyle where they live. Let's say you don't get the money. You get the money, but you don't want to give me. You don't want to give Sky money. Make them give my land document. But I say case on the strong. We won't enter.
We can
we will know ourselves.
Muna, go inside.
You too, shame they catch you. You they sign another person. Don't mean to sign your sister.
Don't worry,
You
man.
they sign outside. You don't mean to sign your sister. Shame they catch you.
Muna,
Muna, children, bro. I'm talking to you.
Now they talk that they were coming. I'm going to see.
Muna, do what you want to do, man. What's that the try to say? Shaman.
You say you don't have. I need 20 million to settle her. That is, you don't have much talk with you.
I know fit pay not.
And when even and every reason to settle your relationship with Jesse, I don't say you even mess. You get mind. You don't get right. Who give you legs to even meet myself? Not because of the user constant liver for no reason.
I use you
before.
Person.
Not try to see. No be better person.
Like after everything.
You go for my bag, go give another girl belle. Not be better person.
No be better person. You say like this.
Not be better person. We understand you. I not be better person. We understand you. I not be better person.
Two things is involved. It's either you settle her, make she go. Then you can go away.
Settle who? Mr. James, settle who? Mr. James, I come to you. I tell you, say, make you help me talk to Bizzy. Make me and him reconcile. Because of saying you they follow your sister, be your sister. You they bypass and keep busy. That's why you just ignore my messages. I don't call you for a very long time. You they snub me, they ignore me. Because you they find way to give your sister to Bizzy to marry.
I don't understand. Now you wait for Bizzy to marry.
What I want Bizzy to? Okay? I beg, I want to understand. The problem with me and you they talk about, I want to settle that.
Bizzy, what's in the apple for you?
Oga James.
Mr. James, I am talking to you, Mr. James.
Oga James. Jesse, I take no road to reach her.
Are you mad? Here, not be Mona house. Not be Mona, their family house be this. Hey!
How you take no road?
I don't go Oga James, sir. Don't tell me say, income Mona, their family house. Income their family house, which is here. I don't come here. I don't know so they do camera or something. I come to ask something. Oga James, for a very long time, I don't tell you, I come meet you. I tell you, say, make you help me talk to Bizzy. Make me and him reconcile. You leave
reconcile.
me. You leave
reconcile
me.
Out of relationship or reconcile out of friend. What did you tell me before?
Reconcile out of business. And business is my problem.
So why you gonna? So why is me not trying to join my sister to be come because a problem?
Because this one they distract you now. She's distracting you obviously.
And they distract my uncle.
Yes, no, you distract. And which hole you from come at save this game? Which hole you from come at?
Let me ask you that question.
Natural.
What did they happen here?
You see the stupidity where they cause.
What did be?
At the end of
you see the foolishness where they
Mona.
at the end of the junction, I be.
They claim all this fine boy now. Men they fight for you.
I don't follow. I don't follow fight for them.
You don't play fair where you're in. Fine boy.
Bizzy.
Let today be the first time you say go try this thing. I get girlfriend.
Bizzy. Which business?
I dey relationship. I get girlfriend. I dey relationship.
Bizzy Rexx.
Which business where Bizzy and Jesse did?
Now stay out of that relationship of a thing where you see where they.
Now be the business.
Now be the business.
Now be the business where they are do.
I no go.
Well,
You
we
will
don't
never.
have to do
You
that.
will never come out openly. You will never come out openly.
Come
That
on,
is the
open it to
problem.
where? Open it to where?
You are just beating around the bush. Beating around the bush. You will never come out openly.
Open it to where?
Openly. Open up your
Me and
feelings.
Bizzy, we get
Open up
outstanding
which business?
business too of whether you go marry me or you go pay the 20 million.
I don't think.
If they touch my sister, they mad. Come my princess.
Why is not busy?
Why they slap uncle? You don't get some what is all this?
What is it? You
If you
near
want
me.
to do it,
You know me. You near me.
You know where?
Something they worry you. Hey.
No, something they worry you.
For your whole life, no they talk that marriage something again.
Something they worry
For
you.
your whole life.
Worry me.
Did they slap uncle?
Why would I slap him?
For your whole life, no they talk that marriage
Why would I
something
slap
again.
him?
Hey, so you and Muna don't call.
You see, so Oga James, see this
Who
one.
now?
Oga James, see this one. I mean, I respect you.
So you and Muna don't
But
call.
you see, for all this you say, Oga James, your respect na 0.00.
If no be
I tell you.
if no be say, I just if I bounce on you the way the anger dey.
You won't bounce on me,
Then
sometimes.
go say wetin happen.
Mr. James, before you go bounce on him.
Because of
Tell me
my
the business me and you they talk about. Tell him whatever. Just say it. That's how I can go.
See, listen to me.
Where do you get with Jesse?
Make today be the first and the last.
Just
I know
imagine.
what all this again. Oga James, no
You
ask
put
me.
your life in the smoke.
Oga James, wait.
Just imagine.
Oga James, make today be the first and the last. So you go open your mouth, tell me say if I don't marry your sister, I will give you 20 million naira. And as for you,
You're not giving me.
Make today be the last.
You are
The
not
first and the last. So be say you
You're
go
not
tell me
giving
say
me.
you go tell me say
You're
I
not
must marry you.
giving me 20 million naira.
And for you,
You're not giving
I
me
don't want to
20
see you
million.
again. You don't finish.
Get out.
I don't want to talk again.
Hey,
If you carry go hit me for head,
Hey,
I don't want to talk again.
You don't get
20
choice
million
again.
Mona bring my clothes, man, they come here.
Mr. Man, 20 million naira.
In
To
fact,
settle
I
her.
don't want that marriage. Uncle, I don't want that marriage again.
Okay.
You must give me that 20 million naira.
Okay.
You must
See.
give me that 20 million.
Yes, you cannot make
Yes,
it.
you will pay for damage.
Data
I don't
for
want
how
marry
many
am
years?
again.
Data for how many
No,
years?
carry on.
Mona.
Carry on.
What's that? What is that?
See, you see that 20 million naira? You must pay am.
You dey just say you dey find
That's my
money.
life.
Just say your family don broke, una dey find money.
Not just all my symptoms.
Just say your family don broke, una dey find money.
We no
Your
dey find
family don
money.
broke, una dey find
We no
money.
dey find
Just
money.
talk am.
So I
Say
go pay for that damage.
You come here to
Na me
fight.
do
Pay for
mistake,
that
bro.
I
damage.
don't come here to fight for them. I come here to fight you yourself in particular. Now I come to fight for.
You know they
I come here to fight for you in
You
particular.
know they shame.
Now you supposed to be ashamed.
You dey come dey fight.
You dey
Oga
fight.
James, I don't
dey
dey
fight
wetin
for
I
you.
don't dey wetin I wan tell you. The main reason why we say this na because I come on a family house. Na him just dey cause of this thing.
No come
If they
again.
come house,
I go defend you. I if you don't join with me,
Okay, James, I want to keep
come
quiet for
again.
you.
See,
I want to keep quiet for you.
Respect yourself.
I dey tell you.
Monku no be your mate.
I want to keep quiet for you.
Monku no be your mate. Man just dey tell you now. Monku no be your
What
mate.
do they fight for like this now?
Monku no be your mate.
What do they fight for?
go punish you. Let me see you here again. Let me see you here again. Let me see you here again. If I don't kill you, I don't.
Because I want a family house. Because I want a family house.
Let me see if this come out again.
Because of you, they pursue me come out from my house.
Prepare the 20 million naira.
You
Or
tell me what I
prepare
want.
the 20 million to settle her.
20 million for
You are not giving me the money. You are
For
giving it to her.
damages. For
You are giving it to her to
What's
settle
not
her.
damage from you?
You for damage.
All
You
the
damage my
all
life.
Damage from you.
My life.
All
My
the
life.
special contract we gonna have. Can you pay for this?
Nonsense.
Which
If you
contract?
can you pay for this.
Wait, I want to say something.
If you can you pay
Now,
for
my
this.
family don't broke rich. Now they fight 20 million.
Baby girl, if you don't get her from here, you don't like what I will tell you. You come here to come and settle her for. Do you want her back? Do you want him back?
What will I do with him?
Do you want him back?
What will I do with him?
If you don't want
I
him
am
back, so
married. I am married. Can't you understand? What will I do with him?
so what is the business here? If you're saying you're
Now
married.
you are come fine. Unfortunately, I can't jam them for here. Now you are come
Okay,
fine.
you can fine. So what's the problem?
I go to your house. They tell me say you there here. Come find you here. What I want to do with business? I am married.